Okay, Elliot, you have the marshmallow. You have the power to answer with 100% honesty.
Let's see. Something no one knows about me. Oh, I know.
Into the schmallow.
I've always wanted to learn how to ride a unicycle.
A clown bike?
They're not just for clowns.
Learning something new about each other is great, Carla, but this spiritual sharing circle, I'm not sure it's the best idea.
Agreed. If I wanted to be interrogated, I'd do it myself.
It might help if you shared something about yourself with us.
Giselle's right. We don't really know anything about you, Carla.
I'm an official camp advisor. You tell me your secrets. I advise you on how not to embarrass yourself.
What's your most embarrassing secret, Carla? Do you even get embarrassed?
I know. Tell us about your parents.
Sharing circle closed.
My guess is her secrecy's a coping mechanism. She misses her parents so much, she can't even talk about them. Or even herself.
That's a very specific guess.
Oh, I'm right, Boog. Oh, I can feel it in my antler. I know it. I've got an idea that I guarantee will make Carla's heart explode with joy. But I'm gonna need your help.
Thanks for assembling so fast.
I got here first, so I get the surprise.
The surprise wasn't for first here, it's for Carla.
Surprise!
Our sweet Karlita!
Karlita?
Mommy? Papi?
What's that? Horrible.
Set my alarm for November.
Well, are you going to show me and Papi around, or?
Sure. That's the mess hall, that's the lake, there's a tree, a campfire, tours over by. Fine. I'll show you around. There, you've seen it all, including everyone's secret hiding spots.
Huh? What? How long have I been out? Hey, my woohoos!
Sorry, Carla's parents. It's so unlike us to, spontaneously fall asleep in unison like that.
Oh, that's okay. Our Karlita has that effect on everyone.
Remember, I'm not the old Karlita, and I don't do the thing anymore.
So, who'd like to take the schmallow and share a little bit?
Allow me to tell you a little bit about our Karlita. When Carla was a baby, she ate a whole box of canned carrots and got such a tummy ache. That's how she got the name Stinky.
Papi!
Her carrot belly was such a gift. It started a whole...
Yeah.
Hey, that's enough for now.
About this gift, if it stinks, can we re-gift it?
Well, we don't want to push, so more stories tomorrow.
Carla is such a closed book. Oh, but this little teaser makes me want to know more.
I said that's enough.
Oh, she's a firecracker.
Gotta get my folks out of here. It's just a matter of time before their stroll down memory lane reveals my deep, dark secret.
Your Papi and I are so pleased you made such wonderful friends. Oh!
Elliot! Oh, what are you doing here? And can you do it somewhere else?
I'm on my way to Brekkie. What are you three up to this fine morning?
Carlita's taking us to the hot tub.
Well, hot diggity. Don't let me stop you. Go forth and bubble.
That was close. I mean, we're here.
I've always wanted to try this.
Hop in. I'll turn on the water to fill it up. Be right back.
Wait a minute. We don't have a hot tub!
It's been really great seeing you.
So wonderful, sweetie.
Our gifted Stinky.
But it's just a matter of time before you slip up and reveal my secret. I'm doing everything I've done to cover it up, so...
Whoa! Look at that. Pop, fly. Ha! That's a double dad joke.
Why did you do that, Carla?
Oh, so you brought them here without checking with me. And now you're upset I sent them away without checking with you?
Yeah, it's more about the way you sent them.
I'm so sorry, Carla. I should have checked with you first.
Elliot just wanted to show you that we're all a family here.
You can tell us anything you want. We won't judge.
Actually, I'm still kind of judging the whole catapulting the parents thing.
Enough with the mushy blah blah. Carla, what is this awesome gift that you have that you don't want us to know about?
Carla?
What has gotten into you? Do you even know where you flung? Is it flung? Or fling? Flang? Where did you send them?
Yeah. I'm not a monster. I sent them to Timberline Junkyard where we used to go on vacation.
Used to, you say? And why is it you don't go anymore, if I may inquire?
We stopped going when the junkyard got a vicious guard dog. What have I done?
You forgot about the dog.
I forgot about the dog! Everyone, get to the hot tub! I mean the catapult! Mommy, Papi, I'm okay! I mean, you're okay.
Actually, we are both very sad that you sent us away in your hot tub.
Are you saying that me sending you here is my fault?
We love you, Stinky. And I know what you think, but we'd never reveal your...
Embarrassing secret gift? She has one, right? Laters.
Don't worry, Karlita. We will protect you from Meathead.
Meathead? Oh, the dog.
It's still not too late, Carla. We can all still get out of here if you just use your gift.
But I don't want my friends to see that side of me.
Come on, tell us already.
Look, whatever it is, Carla, we're your friends. We'll all be cool with it.
Okay, Papi, hit me.
You show him, Stinky! Show the world!
Hey, Meathead! I smell trouble. There's a lot more where that came from, you slobbering mongrel.
It's in my eyes, and on me teeth, and in me wee armpits, and then... My lungs are on fire!
Hey, Carla, here comes Meathead, and he looks hungry.
Hey, Meathead! Want a biscuit? How about an air biscuit? Get me, Papi!
Coming in hot!
Everyone, plug your nose! You're gonna learn more about Carla than you ever wanted!
Hey, I want to see.
Everyone enjoying the show? Don't forget to rate and review!
Conserve your steak, sweetie!
You don't want to run out!
It's fine! This man's gonna take a stink nap any second!
Is this a family thing?
Wait for it. Wait for it. Ow!
was open too!
I hope Carla's mom is right and this tomato soup kills the stank.
About that, for the first time in my life, I'm sorry. I just wanted to be adored for my life coaching, not carrots.
Which are pretty tasty, I must say.
No! You're not ready for a whole can!
It's fine.
Looks like Giselle's got the gift too.
It wasn't me. Who am I kidding? It's all me.
Did I miss it? Come on, what was the gift? Oh, farts, right? Yes, it was farts!